All right, we're back with another guest chef on My Dad's BBQ. I'm so excited about this chef. We've talked about doing this for the past 6 months, and even though it's 50 degrees and raining outside, we figured out how to do it. Let me introduce you to a home chef who has his own food blog, Feed Your Soul 2. Welcome, Mr. Peter Black. Peter,
hey.
So good to see you. Excited to see what you have today.
Excited.
I got a gift for you. The My Dad's BBQ apron.
Awesome.
All right, so we're gonna let Peter get ready, and then he's gonna tell us all about what's going on today.
Danny, thanks for having me here. I think we should tell everybody that we've known each other for like 40 years. We grew up together. We have mutual friends, tons of friends. So I'm here today because I'm here to have fun. This is what cooking is about. So today we're gonna do smash burgers, and we want to obviously accent the My Dad's BBQ. All right, so we just put down, we're making a tortilla smash burger. We just put down the beef patty. We're gonna let it go for 30 seconds. We are crisping one side of the tortilla so that when we put it onto the burger, it will stay, it'll stay crisp throughout once we flip it over. You'll see that in a minute. Getting a good smash on it. Now we're picking up the partially cooked tortilla and let that adhere to the burger, and then when we flip it, the tortilla will be cooked a little bit all the way through. And then I'm going to flip the burger.
Go ahead.
Cut it in half. Let's take a good bite. Ready? Look at all that juice. Oh my God. Actually, it's delicious. The cheese on the outside is just the right crust on it. It's delicious. Should have told her to lift up her sleeve.
Yeah.
It's a little juicy.
That's good.
Okay, that's amazing.
That's good.
Amazing. This is awesome.
All right, I got to tell you guys, I wish you were here to taste this food because it was absolutely amazing. Peter, thank you so much for coming. Got any words?
Yeah, I had the best time. Got to get one of these griddles. There's so much we can do with it, and when you add, and I'm not saying this because I'm being paid anything, when you add My Dad's BBQ sauce, it is all a big win.
Yeah, he's not getting paid anything. He's just doing it because he likes to cook.
Because I love to cook.
Exactly right. So anyway, tune in to My Dad's BBQ on YouTube and follow Feed Your Soul 2 for Peter's blog. Have a great day, everybody.
Have a great weekend.